I get this question all the time. Devin, which YouTube metric matters most when a video gets decent views but barely any subscribers? The answer is subscriber conversion rate. My favorite version is subscribers gained per 1,000 viewers, and if you can segment it, per 1,000 new viewers. Why that one? Because views measure reach. Subscriber conversion measures trust. It tells you whether people like the video enough to want more from the channel. Here's the fast diagnosis. First, check who the video reached. If it was mostly returning viewers, low subscriber growth is not a big problem. Those people may already be subscribed. Second, compare subscriber conversion across your last 5 to 10 videos. Don't ask, did this video get views? Ask, which videos turned attention into subscribers? That shows you which topics and formats actually build the channel. Third, if a video gets strong views but weak subscriber conversion, the issue is usually channel promise. The video may be useful, but it doesn't make the next reason to follow you obvious. So, review 3 things. Does the intro make your niche clear fast? Does the topic fit what you want to be known for? And does the ending naturally lead into the next video or result the viewer cares about? In Satura, I track this beside traffic source and viewer mix so you can separate attention from trust. Bottom line, when a video gets views but no subscribers, the metric that matters most is subscriber conversion rate, not raw views.